Hello students, this is Ms. Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, today we are going to learn about different oceans and their locations in the map from the chapter of your social studies book, which is The World We Live In. So let's start. Students, you all must have seen this picture of Earth. And you all know that the green or the brown portions of the earth consist of land, whereas the blue portion of the earth consists of water. And around 70% of earth's surface is covered with water. That means there is more water than land on earth. Around 70% of earth's surface is covered with water. So today we are going to learn about this portion, the blue portion of the earth that consists of water. All the different big areas of water on earth can be called bodies of water. The smallest body of water we will find is a pond. Students, the smallest body, the smallest amount of water that we will find on earth is pond. Small bodies of water that flow are rivers. So rivers are the small bodies of water that flow. Okay, here we are discussing about different bodies of water. Then larger bodies of water are lakes. Okay students, after rivers, the larger bodies of water we have are lakes. And bigger than lakes we have seas. Seas are bigger than lakes. So seas are the bigger water bodies than lakes. But the very biggest bodies of water are the oceans. That means even bigger than seas are the water bodies which are called oceans. Students, do you all know what is an ocean? An ocean is a huge body of salt water. That means the water of ocean is salty. That means we cannot drink it. And you know students that when different seas are joined together, they form oceans, because oceans are larger than seas. So when different seas are joined together, they form oceans. Oceans are present between the continents. So let's learn about the number of oceans we have in the world. The world has 5 oceans. How many oceans do we have? We have 5 oceans. Let's learn by their names. Let's learn them by their names. The first one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. The second one is Atlantic Ocean. Second one is Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Pacific Ocean. The third one is Pacific Ocean. Fourth one is Indian Ocean. Fourth one is Indian Ocean. And the last one is Southern Ocean. It's Southern Ocean. Students, you can have a look at the positions of these at the location of these oceans in this picture. You can see the location of Arctic Ocean, you can see the position of Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. Let's learn more about these oceans one by one. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is at the top of the map and borders North America, Europe and Asia. Students, Arctic Ocean is present at the top of the world map and it is present at the borders of America, North America, Europe and Asia. It borders North America, Europe and Asia. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean and the most shallow ocean. You know, students, among all the oceans, Arctic Ocean is the smallest one, and it is the most shallow ocean, means that it is not that much deep. As compared to other oceans, Arctic Ocean is not that deep, so it is most shallow ocean. There is lots of ice in the Arctic Ocean, students, as you can see in the picture that these oceans are covered with ice. So there is lots of ice in the Arctic Ocean, but much of it has been melting. The next ocean is Atlantic Ocean. You can see the position of Atlantic Ocean here. Atlantic Ocean is in the middle of the globe, or in the middle of the map. It is in between North America, South America, and Europe and Africa. So that means Atlantic Ocean separates Europe and Africa from North America and South America. So it is in the middle of the globe. You all know what is globe? Globe is the round model of Earth. Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest ocean. Okay, students? Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest or the second largest ocean and is home to many species of whales, sharks, dolphins, and other creatures. That means different species of whales are found there, sharks are found there, dolphins are found there, and also other creatures. And then comes the Pacific Ocean, which is the biggest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. Students, among all the oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest. It's the biggest ocean. That means it covers the largest area. Okay, students, you all can see the position of Pacific Ocean in this map. You all must be wondering that we have Pacific Oceans at two places in the map. But this doesn't mean that we have two Pacific Oceans. Isn't it, students? It doesn't mean that we have two Pacific Oceans. We have only one Pacific Ocean. But we all know that since Earth is in sphere shape, Earth is of sphere shape. It's of round shape. But whereas map has two dimensions, so it is flat. It has two dimensions and it is flat. But if we join the two ends of the map, there will be one Pacific Ocean. Both of these ends will be joined together and that will form one Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is present at the side of Asia and Australia, and also by North America and South America. The Pacific Ocean is in between the South America, North America, South America, and Asia and Australia. Students, this we are looking at the position of Pacific Ocean by joining the two ends of the map, or we have found out this position of Pacific Ocean on the globe of Earth, or on the globe, which is of round shape. That's why we can easily see that Pacific Ocean is in between North America, South America, Asia and Australia. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is between Africa, Asia and Australia. Okay, students, you all must be able to locate Indian Ocean in this picture of the map. Indian Ocean is between Africa, Asia and Australia. Indian Ocean is the third largest and the warmest ocean in the world. You know, students, the first largest ocean was Pacific Ocean, the second largest ocean was Atlantic Ocean, and the third largest ocean is Indian Ocean, and it is the warmest ocean in the world. That means it's hot, it's warm. Indian Ocean it's just an additional information for you that Indian Ocean is important for transporting goods. That means through Indian Ocean many goods are being transported. For example, each day millions of barrels of oil are shipped across the Indian Ocean. That means through Indian Oceans by ships, oil and many other things are transported across the Indian Ocean. Then we have the last ocean, that is Southern Ocean, which is present at the bottom of the maps by Antarctica. Students, you all must remember that at the bottom of the map we have the continent of Antarctica. So Southern Ocean is also at the bottom of the map, and it is present by Antarctica. It is present by Antarctica. That means it's nearby Antarctica, or it is present at the border of Antarctica. Southern Ocean is home to many amazing creatures like penguins. Students, Southern Ocean is home to many creatures like penguins. That means penguins are present in Southern Ocean. So students, we have learned about oceans today. So let's have a quick review. So what is an ocean? An ocean is a large body of salty water. Is a huge body of salty water. And how many oceans do we have? There are 5 oceans in the world. There are 5 oceans in the world. The number of fingers that you have in your hands, 5. There are 5 oceans in the world. And which one is the largest ocean or the biggest ocean? The biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. And the second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. And what about the third largest ocean? The third largest ocean is Indian Ocean. And the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. So students, I hope you have understood about continents, and I hope you all must be able to locate the oceans in the world map by this time. So I want all of you to practice to locate the oceans in the world map and also learn about each oceans. Thank you.